Hey guys, good evening to all of you. I hope you are doing well. So today we will discuss a job openings from Singapore. It's a urgent job vacancies. So if you are looking for a job in Singapore, then please keep watching this video till the end and let's know what is the job openings, how to apply, and everything details. I will inform you in this video. So let's start. The job is multiple vacancies in Singapore, wanted for a leading construction company in Singapore. So guys, if you belongs to construction professionals, apply as soon as possible. And the job categories: welder, CXC, TIG, electrician, pipe fitter. Education requirement: ITI diploma and minimum of 3 to 5 years experience requirement. If you are really eligible for this job, please forward your CV to the given official email ID. And also this is the official phone number. You can follow by this number if you are interested to apply for this job. Then you have to check that your professional should be the related relevant experience and the related qualifications you should have, then only you can apply for this job. So this is a very important information. So I would like to inform you, please try to apply as soon as possible because there have limited times. Within that limited times you have to apply, and after you apply, the CV shortlisted process will be start. Once your CV will be shortlisted, you can get a notifications by your email to attend the interview. So please send your all documents to the given official email ID by your actual email ID so that the company will mail you if your CV will be shortlisted. So you have to forward your certificates and your experience details and all have experience. If you have any golf experience also you can attach in these documents. So the thing is, this is a multiple vacancies and urgent vacancies: welder, electrician, and pipe fitter. So those candidates having experience in welding or electrician or pipe fitter, don't be late. Apply as soon as possible. Preferably, they are looking for experience holders, but I can suggest to the fresher guys they also need to apply because many times the company also hiring for fresher candidates and with experience holders. So both experience holder and fresher candidates can be applied. There is 1 to 2% of chances also for the fresher candidates. So don't think that you don't have any experience, so you no need to apply. Not like that. I can suggest you both experience and also the fresher guys to apply for this job. So this is a recent job openings. If you are really serious to get a abroad job, you have to apply, try again and again. I already shared the same things in this previous videos. If you are looking for a abroad job, you have to try again and again. You have to keep continue your trying to apply for abroad job. You have to collect the email ID, you have to collect the website, you have to collect the HR email ID from directly company from any country's official email ID, and you have to drop your all documents and you can follow by the email. Nowadays many of guys getting job by applying directly online by their system or mobile, and you have to apply online and you have to follow up and you have to try again and again. Of course you can get a abroad job without any consultation agent. Nowadays everything is modified and you can also get a job by applying online without help of any consultancy or any agent. So I can suggest you try to apply directly so that your job will be successful to get without waste of money and waste of time. So the same things I already shared in this previous videos. Please keep continue try if you are looking for a abroad job, and I hope you will get a chance one day. And I can suggest you please share this information if your friend have any of have electrician or welding professionals. Please share the information to them and suggest them to apply if they are looking for a job in Singapore and also any country job. Then this is a good opportunity for them. And also I can suggest you if you are a candidates related to this welder or electrician or pipe fitter professionals, then you should have to apply immediately so that you can get shortlisted in the company. So you can apply you can attend the interview and you can move forward to get a job. So guys, lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. In the next video, I will come with the latest job openings. Up to that, stay tuned with this channel. Check each and every videos. Try to collect the informations and apply as soon as possible. So best of luck. God bless you. Bye bye.